you know, there's no way. Why would I get that when I could get me a Ford?
Yeah.
Ford Taurus.
Exactly.
For,
yeah.
You know, 19,000. Why you get? No, but you don't even know what's behind this right here.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? Look at that. Look how golden. Look how golden that is. Oh, you could lick this. This is like the coconut oil. Coconut oil. Because Philippines is right there with the mini coconut, and now I cannot push it back. Dude, what year is this? I don't even know. It could be like a 2016.
2011.
2011.
Yeah.
It looks so much better than a lot of these 2016 with cheap paint.
Ooh.
Dude, these paint, you know, these paint right here.
Yeah.
They culture them in their small little apartment. They culture it, buddy.
Ooh, yeah, look at those eyeballs.
Yeah, so this right here, maybe they worked on this.
Oh, it's popping out. Yeah.
Or maybe it's just 2011, dude, this is like 10 years old. How could it look this good?
Yeah, somebody took really good care of it.
So you could tell it was a female owner.
Oh, yeah?
You see the nails?
Oh,
You remember that video we watched called One Nail? When she get them all like done like that and they're sharp, they'll cut into it. It can't be a man. A man doesn't have like sharp nails.
A man doesn't do that. Exactly.
So on top of that, you see these right here? These are like plastic, and so that when it's hot, like in Arizona, you won't like burn your fingers.
Yeah.
Because people have more sensitive fingers now. There's lights right there, so if you're signaling, it'll signal here. You look at these mirrors, you know that these mirrors are like Oakley technology. You know, Oakley's make one of the best lens out there.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, it's like tinted a little bit.
Totally.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it works well. You got the moonroof, sunroof, and you got the antenna for your cell phone. And you notice all these chrome right here?
Yeah.
So guess what? Japan's material chrome industry and metal industry they're all exported. Guess where all this is from? All these metals. They're not even, they could be scrap, but no, they're actually from like exotic places like Africa. Yeah, no, I didn't even know this was a 2011.
Good space in here, yeah.
Look at that. It's
brand new.
It's not even a, look, they even got small tiny batteries for your thing. Your Walking Dead zombie apocalypse. Look, look at all these things they think about. Like, who in the world does that?
Yeah.
These jacks, Toyota and Honda jacks are like super amazing. I love their jacks in itself. Yeah.
Wow.
Because if you buy those, they're gonna be you know, $60, $100. Those, I've used those a lot. These are like super easy.
Wow.
Yeah, if I got me a second car, yeah, it probably would have been something like this.
Oh yeah?
If I wasn't like totally rushing. I'm satisfied with mine, but
yeah. And how's this price? 20K? Is that sound pretty reasonable?
I would bring it down as much as I can. These are one of those things where you make that offer, you show your interest and sit on it for like a week or two, and then they'll call you back.
Yeah.
Hey, we got a big sale. Hey. Well, hey, I've been waiting for like 2 weeks. Hey, do something, man. You're looking at 11 years old car. Yeah, but it's a Lexus. So what? It's like 11 years old. You see, my nieces and nephews are like 10 years old. They're the same age, and you know, they lost their value. This aluminum Lexus emblem.
This is crazy, yeah. Crazy nice. I seen this in the Acura the first time, actually.
Yeah. You could tell sometimes if the car's been repainted. You look around here, you know, but
dude, apparently the paint jobs back around this time frame were actually way better. The paint jobs now are kind of crappy.
Yeah, no, I love the paint job, and
man, this is some insane level of quality. I think this is actually better than Acura.
Yeah, could be. Yeah. You see how quality that is.
It doesn't look as sporty, but I mean, it still has the power to back it up.
Oh, yeah. If you look at prime, genuine That'll be it. This right here is awesome too. Except, you know, it's an owner of a sport mentality, so you know that he probably
you drive it the hell out of it.
This right here, it's like
it's family car.
Money, it's just a weekend, you know. We don't. Whoever.
Oh, dude, it's got this. You know what that is?
Is that sensor?
Sensors, yeah, for parking.
For parking.
That is crazy, man.
So you probably could do an option wipers if you open this up here.
Yeah.
I'll open them up for you. Oh, check this out. I don't know what this is. It probably, I don't know what that does. I forgot, but it probably shoots, I don't know, water or maybe it wipes, whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know. You gotta look it up.
Yeah, it probably cleans it.
Yeah. You know, there's no way. Why would I get that when I could get me a Ford?
Yeah.
Ford Taurus.
Exactly.
For,
yeah.
You know, 19,000. Why you get? No, but you don't even know what's behind this right here.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? So my opinion, that's just my opinion.
Yeah.
This is awesome too. You know. Yeah. Dude.
I've liked them, but I don't know anything about them. I'm completely
these Cadillacs.
Yeah, I'm completely.
They're awesome too, except I'm not a total Chevy luxury.
Yeah.
Maybe if I was a diehard Marine blonde wife, whatever. Yeah. Either one of those though, I'd be all over it.
Gotta tell you, man, you're turning me into a fan.
Well, Lexus, yeah. If you want to go second hand, you'd rather get the upper hand.
Upper hand?
Yeah. If you go second hand. If you go brand new, exactly what you want. How do you kind of goes up and up with the Acura. But with a CVT transmission, got me questionable. Have bad transmission. And I think we're in the same line, same boat in regards to our view on that. Yeah. But Toyota, they circulate their transmission all over the world. And even the Taliban's using Toyota. Oh, this is for rocket.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so that the dog could go in and out.
Dude, they've even got storage compartment in here, like a secret storage compartment. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
That is crazy.
That's like a 22 right there and lock
what
it.
On earth, man? I can't believe how much storage there is. This is crazy. Yeah, and the climate controls are very impressive, man. I've never seen that before.
Dude, yeah, this probably go up and up with a lot of the Mercedes luxury. I can't believe it's 2011.
Yeah. Oh, you got 3 presets and everything.
Right. Oh, and you got, looks like you may even have heated seats, no?
Oh yeah, probably, yeah.
Because this is
rear,
and it's got rear heated.
Oh, ventilated seats too.
Rear, you can't get that anywhere.
Yeah. Ventilated, you know about that?
No, not exactly.
It pushes air through the seats.
Really?
It cools it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Cause look, you got the blue.
Yeah, you're gonna keep this for the rest of your life.
This is like probably like max luxury. You don't go beyond this level of luxury.
And it's a nav. Yeah, you're right. This is top of the line back then.
Yeah.
It's still top of the line.
Well, actually,
now.
it's still top of the line now. Yeah.
Right. I didn't bring it to a Lexus dealership.
Oh yeah.
You bring it to Lexus dealership. Hey.
Dude, the seats, man, they're such good quality. They're like not ripping or anything.
Well, these are like perforated. Yeah, whoever owned it, I don't know. They're probably dead by now.
Yeah.
I just want to bring this down. I just don't know how. You can find out later. It's no big deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the kind of cars like my brother come in and just look at it, maybe drive it a little, and then you know what I mean. He doesn't won't do research. Just get it.
Yeah.
Really?
You got like this little blue light here, and then you got like a warm light. And look at how slow, look at how like quietly it turns on. It's like,
what's this? I believe it's 2011 though.
Oh yeah. What is this?
What's the miles on it?
It's like 80K. It's decent. Yeah.
Dude, I would get this. They sell it to me for like even 14,000. Makes me think of wanting to get one too. years this one. 3.5, 216. Yeah, they really gotta drop a lot for this one.
Yeah,
sell it for like
they
20.
don't drop here at all, you know.
Probably not, but if, well, then I wait, I look, I search.
Somebody will buy it. They know.
I'd go at another state to get one.
They know there's guys like you that will actually pay the sticker price. CarMax is all about paying the sticker price.
For use, I'm
Yeah.
gonna wait and wait and wait. The longer it sits here for like 2-3 months, they're gonna have to go. My opinion. But no, yeah. So I was already leaning towards that area. Like if I get me a second hand, it would have been an Avalon. Because Avalon is a Lexus quality.
Yeah.
But the Avalons I was looking at was like a beige gold. And it's like, man, that's too old.
Yeah.
You know, I'd be like Hirohito type Japanese emperor of Japan. I like the Nissans. The Nissans, you know, they're too powerful. Their transmission is too powerful in my opinion.
Yeah.
They're so powerful that that their transmission is actually kind of shaky.
There, look at the Nissan.
How are you bidding it?
This is the car you'd get, huh?
Yeah, the next car.
Wow.
It won't be up to this standard, and it won't be this up to date. But yeah, I'm gonna pull out those seats and just boom, you know.
Wow.
Get this here.
That is pretty sweet, man.
Or what I'll do is I'll keep the seats. But if we gotta sleep, then I gotta get them out.
Wow, man.
I gotta figure that out.
I like seeing it closed. It's like a spaceship.
Yeah, this been around. I sold these cars, these Toyotas before. People love them. And this V6, this been around for a while. What is this? Like a 3
Wash your food.
Yeah, this is all quality stuff. I like these.
Yeah. Pretty
I think it's like a 3.4 maybe. The Hondas back then, but
not so much now.
Transmission flaws. Yeah, I've stayed away from them. In regards to like my interest and encouraging people to get it.
Yeah.
The worst vans you could ever get.
Chrysler or?
Hey, you guys. You know why? This is rental vehicles.
Oh yeah. The Dodge.
I actually sold this car.
Oh no.
Like this.
Yeah.
The family called up. The family called up and said, "Hey, you know what? It's smoking." Oh, is it? Yeah. Those are American cars. They love to smoke. Yeah, it's good that you brought me along because.
Oh yeah, dude. I'm gaining a lot of knowledge right now.
I bought one of these. Guess what? They wanted to go traveling. You know, they're older and all that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's just about the husband is. They bought one brand new. Only use it twice. Never use it again.
Now, if you happen to enjoy this Lexus car review salesman Lexus LS video, then there's a pretty good chance you'll probably enjoy my Acura NSX vlog. This is another amazing video, but it's more of just a vlog about my experience in meeting a mechanic who owns an Acura NSX, and that could be a video you might be interested in. If not, you might also like my in-depth C7 Corvette documentary / review, which you should definitely check out if you do like this type of content. All right, cheers.